Hello dear students, today we are going to study I get up at 7 o'clock. It is the third chapter of English grammar. In this unit, we use verbs in the simple present tense for daily routine and being form for talking about actions that are happening now. It means when we use the simple present tense to talk about things that we we usually do, the verb gets have, do, and go, taking the following forms. Okay, I get, you get, he get, she gets, it gets, we get, you get. So get should be written only get with you, we, he, she. Then I have, you have, he has, she has, it has. Okay, we have, you have. Then do. Here see, these words are there: get, have, do, and go. These we have to use these verbs in the following forms. So the third one is I do. I do, you do, he does, she does, it does. It is used in the this form. Okay, verb of he, she, and it forms. Then I go, you go, he goes, she goes, it goes, we go, you go. Okay, so here these things we have to remember properly. Notice the s at the end of the verb for the he, she, and it forms. Okay, look at these clocks. We can see this clock. There are 5 clocks here. 7 o'clock, then 7 past 7, half past 7, it means 7:30. Quarter past 8, quarter past 8 means it is 8:15. Then 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock you all know, sharp 5. And quarter to 9, it means 8:45. Okay, 8:45 is, we say that, quarter to 9. Then the next part we are going to study is, see here, label the picture with these phrases. There are some picture of this girl, what she is doing. Here it is given in the, see, help box. These some words are given: go to bed, go to school. Some sentences, small half sentences are given: go to school, have dinner, get up, come from home from school, get dressed. So these are some picture. We just have to do is, we have to arrange these words in the picture which match to these words. Okay, go to school, where she is going, here, go to school. Have dinner, where she is having dinner, here in the 8th number, having dinner. Then she is doing her homework. She is going to bed. Then coming home from school and getting dressed, get dressed for school. Okay, so these are the pictures. You have to write these help box, what they are given, you have to use it here. Okay, and then next question: number the activities 1 to 8 in the order that you do them. Okay, what we do, we have to number it. Okay, that activity we have to put it in serial number. Okay, so first we get up, and second what we do, we get dressed, we take bath and get dressed. Then third one is we have breakfast. Then fourth one is we go to school. Then fifth one, come home from school, then do our homework, and then after that we go to bed. And after going to bed, seventh one is have dinner. After doing our homework, we do our dinner, we have our dinner. Then after that, at night, last, what we do, we go to bed for sleeping. Okay, so this much I've shown you. In the next page I'm going to explain you. See, I get up at 6 o'clock. Then what we have to do is complete the sentence about Sarah's day. Write the time in words. See here, time is given. What you have to do is you have to write the time in words. Okay, then I get up at 6 o'clock. I get dressed at 6 past, half past 6. Then I have breakfast at quarter to 7. I go to school at 7:15. 7:15 means 15 minutes past 7. Okay, then I come home from school at quarter to 2, means 15 minutes left for 2 o'clock. Okay, then sixth one, 3. 3 p.m. means I do my homework at 3 p.m. because there is nothing given, only 3 is given, so we will write here 3 p.m. 6 p.m. I have dinner at 6 p.m. 9 p.m. I go to bed at 9 p.m. So dear students, in the same way you have to write some sentence by your own. Okay, now write some sentence about your partner's day, what day routine, what they are doing in the whole day, how they spend their day. Okay, then here first and second, here it is given Sanjay get up at half past 6. He has breakfast at 7 o'clock. He goes to school at 8 o'clock. Here we are writing he goes to school at 8 o'clock. His lunch time is in school is 12 o'clock. Sanjay like to play football in game period. We can write anything which we want, any sentence which we can make. He comes back home at quarter to 2. He does homework at 4 p.m. He has dinner at 8 p.m. Okay, then this much is for today. You have to fill this part in your copy which I have taught you today. Okay, and then show it to me. Thank you.